Good morning, Seoul.
Good morning, Seoul.
Actually, we're in eastern Seoul, the other side of the river, and we're walking through a park called Hangang Park. Hangang Park actually stretches the whole length of the river.
The Hangang River.
And it's got all these recreational areas, so there's a cycle track and a running track all along it. It runs for like 23 kilometers or maybe more, I don't even know. And there's also a tennis court, swimming pools, basketball courts, place for kids to skateboard. You name it. One interesting part we found now is a little drone part, and there's a section where the guys do racing, and there's also a section where guys fly just normal remote controlled aircraft, and then there's a special section just to fly drones.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, let's go see. Nice. Now look at this, look at this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I guess we have to...
And these little planes are just awesome.
Yeah, people are having
enormous.
fun. Some of these
They're
are
bigger
huge.
than me. They're so cool.
Well, there's little guys and big guys.
Yes.
I guess we have to partake. Especially if there's an open landing strip here somewhere.
Yeah, and the speed drones are incredible. That is just crazy stuff. Yeah, that guy was again.
We made our way along the Wangdu Road walk, and it gives you sort of a history of this area. They say you can feel the spirit of the strength of Baekje, Korea's ancient nation, which was established 2,000 years ago. Now if you do the whole walk, it's about 9 kilometers, but we're gonna
We went like this, and we're here now at the Olympic Park. So we're gonna check out the Olympic Park, and then from there we'll make our way out, skip this section, and rather head to the Lotte Towers.
Yeah, okay, so at least we made it to a viewpoint here in Olympic Park. You can actually see behind me some of the Olympic venues. I'm not sure which is which. Yeah, that side is one.
It's actually a really cool park, green
Pretty
place
impressive.
just to hang out. There's
Yeah.
families having picnics, skating around.
A lot of people just chilling out for a Sunday and exercising, obviously.
But we're going that way.
Yeah,
We're heading
below us you can see the, what's called the
World Peace Gate.
World Peace Gate, and that's part of the Olympic Gate. I think it's called Peace Plaza out here. You can see all the flags there. I guess this is all the countries that participated in the Olympic Games. You can go through the gate and go check out that tower.
The Lotte Tower.
Lotte Tower. Lots of flags around. Oh, amazing actually. I wonder if it's possible to visit all these countries.
Oh, that sounds like a good mission. Mozambique, Mongolia, Maldives, Mauritius, Monaco,
Mauritania, Morocco, Mexico, Malawi. And that was Olympic Park. Pretty impressive, especially considering that the Olympics was, 31 years ago, and the way they seem to have created the space and managed to enhance the quality of living for people around it, because people definitely use the space. It's really, really cool.
Pigeon almost took me out.
Okay, we're heading down this avenue towards the Lotte Tower, and that'll probably be our last stop. I think we already covered a couple of kilometers today. Haven't had a single ice cream yet.
No, we have to go on an ice cream hunting mission now.
Ice
I think
cream,
that's
ice
the
cream,
next
ice
order of
cream.
the day. I think we may be cheating slightly. Bingsu is very traditional Korean dessert of shaved ice, but it's supposed to really be the fruit one or most traditionally red bean. We went for the chocolate version though because chocolate's always nice.
It tastes like shaved ice.
It does. I suggest you get in here.
It's quite a big bowl. Should I be worried?
No.
Alright, so we're inside the Lotte Mall. This is in Seoul. Very luxurious mall, and it houses also the largest department store in South Korea. Right next to it is the Lotte Tower. I think the duty free in the department store is actually part of the tower complex, and this is the mall area which has the aquarium and I don't know, wow. The mall looks quite crazy.
Nice and cool in here.
Oh, it's lovely. And it's about to rain outside, so we're happy to be inside.
This is such a cool tower.
Amazing, eh? Yeah, no, this is a wide angle lens. We can't get the bloody building in.
But I got it in here. Check it out. That's a photo. That is so cool.
So this is the Lotte Tower behind us. This is the tallest building in South Korea.
At the moment.
And it's also the 5th tallest building in the world right now.
Yeah, 555 meters. It's got 6 basement levels and 123 stories.
Yeah, it's a proper building. But it's pretty impressive up close, I must say. Look at this.
And it's really pretty how it fits into this environment with the mall around it.
Festive music here in the lake area.
Cool music.
That's Lotte Mall, Lotte Tower for us. It's very busy. It's Sunday. We're heading back into the subway. Possibly going to the market later, but if not,
Leaving me behind.
if we're not going to the market, this will be it for the video. So
Hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of Seoul with us.
yeah, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, you want to see more of these, then please hit the like button and subscribe. And if there isn't another Seoul video, we're on our way to Jeju.
See you on the island.
See you on the island. Cheers. Maybe one last ice cream. One more ice cream. Now we're inside the Omsa market. It's not a very well-known market. It's not definitely not on tourist track because it's so far from the center of Seoul. It's
Nice
actually
local market.
very local market. If you're out on the Omsa side, right at the end of the line 8 metro line, and
Just as you come out the exit.
probably not worth coming here especially for it, but if you do find yourself on this side, come check it out. Very nice food market. Lake.